Wordle is a simple word puzzle where you try to figure out what the 5-letter word is. There's a new puzzle daily provided by the New York Times. Go to this link to play. Every day there's a new 5-letter word to figure out. Type in your guess here and click Enter. Once you've entered a guess for the word, the letters will change colour. If the letter turns grey, it means that letter is not in the word that you are trying to solve. If the letter turns yellow, it means the letter is in the word you're looking for, but it's in the wrong position. If the letter turns green, it's in the correct place. Knowing this information, you can guess again, changing the position of the letter that's yellow and see what answer you get. You have a total of 6 tries to guess the correct word. If you want to share your result on social media, the block diagram will demonstrate how many tries it took to guess the correct result.